Just wanna see the light.
Welcome everyone. In this video we're gonna discuss about variable and we'll assign some of the variable in our code. So variable are like storage where we can store some value. We need to know that values can be of different types. So each variable is of a particular type and each variable has its own name and each variable contain data or value. We need to know that variable name is case sensitive, and here in this example int norm is different to int norm where u is uppercase. Let's see another example. Here int life equal to 50. Here variable name is life and value is 50 and the type of variable is integer. Let's have a look on second example where float health equal to 1.5f. Here float is a variable type and health is variable name, whereas 1.5f is value. For the floating point we write f at the last of the value. Another variable type is boolean, bool, bool, and it has only two value, true or false. And the last one we are going to see here is the string variable. Let's jump over into Unity. Welcome back to Unity. Now we'll write some of the variable in this code. Now in line 15 we'll change our code to the highest number you can pick is and at the line 16 the lowest number you can pick is Now we have to add minimum and maximum variable to our statement. We can concatenate string and variable by using plus operator. Okay, it's done. And now save and close Visual Studio. Let us hit play button and see the changes on console. And that's it. Here you can see 1001 which comes through variable we have defined in code. Thank you for watching videos and we'll meet you in the next lecture.